Hello, welcome to Crypto Street. I am Violet. Today is the 19th of June, 2022. This video we will talk about Shiba Inu reaches new community milestone. The official Twitter account of meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has reached a new milestone of 3.4 million followers. For comparison, rival meme coin Dogecoin also has about 3.4 million Twitter followers. Shiba Inu has recorded growth in recent months, adding more than 700,000 followers since February. Also, Shiba Inu's holder count continues to grow. The total number of SHIB holders has risen to 1,182,000. According to Will Stats, an increase in the number of holders might suggest long-term interest in an asset, though it may not immediately impact the price. Shiba Inu whales have been more active in the last 24 hours as Will Stats analysis of the top 100 Shiba Inu holders reflects a 20% spike in active addresses as crypto whales interacted with billions of Shiba Inu. The blockchain data tracker also reported that Shiba Inu has flipped FTX in the biggest holdings for the top 100 Ethereum whales, accounting for 403 million worth or 14.53% of their holdings. According to a recent poll conducted by the top Middle East exchange, RAIN, 90.9% of traders showed a preference for Shiba Inu. SHIB trading went live on RAIN in May, months after the exchange teased its listing. In the past 24 hours, there have been a total of 110 million SHIB tokens burned and siren transactions made. The burn rate is also up 158.24% within this time frame, per the SHIB burn website. Shiba Inu has returned to a price range last seen in August 2021 after reaching intraday lows of 0.50 and 75 on June 15. SHIB was down 2.72% at 0.50 and 78 at the time of publication, in line with the current crypto market dip. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank Exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.